Although the Galaxy S25 series phones aren't expected to ship until January 2025, we've already seen a number of leaks about them in recent months. The S25 Ultra camera configuration was the subject of previous speculations, and now another source has revealed further information. Since launching a main 200-megapixel sensor with the Galaxy S Ultra series, Samsung has been progressively enhancing the secondary cameras. While the regular telephoto and ultra-wide cameras are still there, the Galaxy S24 Ultra now has a bigger 50-megapixel periscope camera. There are now rumors circulating about possible Galaxy S25 Ultra upgrades. Contrary to earlier rumors that it will move to a triple camera system, leaker Ice Universe said that the forthcoming gadget would retain a quad rear camera array. Ice Universe claims that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will include a 200-megapixel primary camera and a 50-megapixel 5x camera, with enhancements expected for the ultra-wide sensor and 3x camera. A 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 50-megapixel 3x shooter were specifically stated by Ice Universe. The upgraded 3x camera would be a major improvement over the existing 10-megapixel sensor, perhaps enhancing portrait and low-light photography. The additional megapixels might also improve hybrid zoom capabilities. Moreover, an ultra-wide camera with 50 megapixels might provide detailed close-up images with a high-resolution 3x shooter that supports macro. Comparable to other top camera phones with high-quality ultra-wide lenses would be Samsung's Ultra phone. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's photographic skills might be further enhanced by these possible changes, even if some may have anticipated for a more significant camera zoom update. Two leakers said earlier this month that the S25 Ultra will have a variable telephoto camera with 50 megapixels that could shoot at 4x or 7x. As we are still a few months away from the Galaxy S25 Ultra's expected arrival, there isn't much information known about it yet. But based on what we do know, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will only run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. This new chip is expected to deliver improved machine learning capabilities and maybe even better battery efficiency via the use of artificial intelligence. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.